And she's very excited. What? Water!
Stop moving, funny dog. Mommy, help! Help! No, Tracy! Yay, we are giving Tracy a bath. Yay! And I also want to take a bath. But Anya, that's only for dogs. Well, are you a dog? Yeah? Oh, Anya, just kidding.
You're excited, right?
Yes.
This is your first ever bath to your pet, right?
Yay!
And look at Tracy waiting there. She's so excited to come inside the water.
Yeah.
Woof, 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 woof.
Yes, little Tracy, and you will like it in the bath because you also get to splash.
Woof, 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 woof. The water is coming, girls.
Tracy, look, the water's coming.
Spill. I think we need a bit more.
Woof, 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 woof. No, Tracy. The bath is not full yet. No, Tracy, come on.
Girls, here's some more water.
You're funny. That's enough.
Just a bit more.
Yeah, just a tiny bit more.
And, okay, now it's full.
Yeah, now it's full.
Girls, can you go get the bath stuff from her chest?
Okay, let's go. Let's see what we need. Open the chest up. Let's see. Oh, we need some soap, of course, to wash Tracy. Put it over there. Oh, we also need a brush to brush her fur. I think she'll have fun with this ball. Bounce it over there. Oh, we also need this scrubber to scrub Tracy. And also, don't forget the towel, Elsa. Oh yeah, you're right. I almost forgot. The dot towel. Put it there. Yay! Now we all got the stuff to wash Tracy. Mommy, we got the stuff.
Oh, cool, girls. Okay, I think we should better put her in right now.
Yeah, put her in.
I was trying to hold her. Okay, go ahead.
Stop, Tracy! Oh, she's so funny. Oh, she is licking me. Good girl. Oh, let me just take off your collar, Tracy. Stay still, Tracy. Okay. Take it off. Yeah, there. Now you can play. I bet she loves the water a lot, Mommy.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa, Tracy! Tracy, you splashed me, funny dog. No, Tracy!
Tracy, don't even think about doing that again. I don't like it.
Oh,
no, she did splash us again.
Oh, Tracy, you are such a funny dog.
Okay, I think we need to add the soap in now. Do you want to squirt it, Elsia?
Yes.
Okay, there's the soap bottle right there.
Okay, here it comes.
What?
Oh, it's coming. Whoa.
Ooh, it looks kind of like a jellyfish.
Yeah.
So gooey.
Whoa. Woof, woof, woof. All right, Tracy, time to scrub you.
Go ahead, Anya.
Dip it in the water. Oh, Tracy, stop moving or else I can't scrub you.
It's just her first time, Anya.
I know.
And she's very excited.
Tracy, stop moving.
I think she didn't have a bath like this in for a long time.
Yeah, maybe that's why she enjoys it a lot. Rub it on your belly.
It's okay. She can still lay down and rub her.
Yeah. On your head.
Make sure all of her fur gets wet, okay?
Okay. And now your paws. Hey. And now your belly. Are you ticklish?
I don't even care if there's lots of soap on my face. This is fun.
Yeah. Dip it some more. Time to scrub you again. On your back, on your head. Oh, so cute. Here, Tracy, you want to play with this ball? Tracy must love playing with the ball. Oh, Tracy, you are slipping. Are you okay? Here, catch Tracy all wet, Tracy.
Okay, Tracy, I think that was enough. Here, you can come out on this so you don't get dirty.
He has to dry up now.
Come on. Whoop.
Come on,
Over
Tracy.
there. Over there.
Over here.
No. Here.
Over here, Tracy.
Good girl.
Can I dry her?
Yes.
Let me dry you here. Now let me dry you, Tracy.
Good job, Anya. Whoop. I think
Now
he's
you
happy.
can dry her.
Okay, now let me rub your head and you scrub your ears.
She looks so cute when you do that, Anna.
Scrub. You want a little tickle? Want a belly tickle? Okay, belly tickle.
I want to tickle her. I want to tickle her. Tickle. Hey, I want to tickle her too. But what if she bites me? Come on, Elsa. She got used to you. Now you can pet her.
All right. Okay, I think he's all dry now. Stand up.
Come on. There. I think she's happy.
Yeah.
Cute Tracy.
All right, it's time to brush your fur, Tracy. Let me just move this here. Okay, and you're gonna come on this mat. Come on, Tracy. Okay.
Let's brush her. Mommy, can I use this big brush to brush her?
Yeah, sure. And I'll use this one.
You have soft fur, Tracy.
And we have to brush her every day, otherwise her fur will get tangly, just like your hair if you don't brush it.
Oh yeah, that's the same. Now your head.
What about your little tail?
And now your cute ears.
Okay, ooh, your hair is looking nice and smooth.
And on your legs.
Okay. Hey, Elsie, I want to put her pet collar on.
Oh yeah. Let me just get it from here.
Okay, stand still, Tracy. Here comes your collar.
Here we go. There you go, Tracy. So cute.
Did you like it, Tracy? And do you like this cute little bed? Tracy, where are you going?
Tracy. Mommy, she went into the mud. Mommy, help, Mommy. She went into the mud. Elsie's right. Mommy, help. And now we worked for nothing. Tracy, get out of the mud right now. Come on, Tracy, get out of the mud. Tracy, get out now. Woof. Come on, Tracy, don't be cheeky. I'm sorry I yelled at you. Come on, follow me, Tracy. Let's go. This way. What did you do? Now I have to wash you again. Don't ever do this again. Wash over there. Almost clean. There. Now this one. And wash. And pour. Wash over here. Take all the muddy off. A little bit more water. There, that's enough. And Tracy, never do this again.
All right, go inside the bath, Tracy.
Yeah. Go inside the soapy water.
This time we'll make sure when she comes out to hold her.
Yeah. She's splashing us again.
You're such a splish splash pup.
Yeah.
Visit our channel and subscribe for more videos.